basically, my dad never used to celebrate his birthday. Yeah, he never used to do that. But we as kids, we whenever it is, I mean, when we see dad's birthday, tomorrow is his birthday and all, so we try to do something nice for him, like cake वेक मंगा लिए हम लोगों ने, और केक मंगा के फिर अपना डैड को बोलते कि डैड अभी आपको केक काटना पड़ेगा. This is how, I mean, he used to celebrate with his family. And he was a very much a homely person. He was not socializing, like, I mean, he never used to socialize. And he was like only for his family and his work. And that's it. I mean, I am really proud to, and I really thank God that I was born in this family, in Rafi Saab's family, and I am really thankful to God, yes.
I used to note his songs down, make my marks, add my pointers. So that was a huge practice for me. So Rafi Saab, I've studied him properly. Like I've gone into the detailing of Mohammed Rafi, like nobody else has.
Okay. Like listening to his songs regularly?
No, I've done it already.
Okay.
I don't need to do anymore.
Can we say that this concert is going to be a love letter from you to Mohammed Rafi Saab, to your guru, to your mentor? How would you define this concert basically?
Say that, yeah. Like, it's my ode to him, it's my pranams to him, it's my thank you to him, because it's my thanks to him because he has helped me be what I am today. His blessings, what I've learned from him, what I still keep learning from him. He's my musical father. So obviously I'm very touched. I'm very humbled that I'm getting this chance to perform his songs on his 100th birthday.
Celebrated that in the Indian Film Festival with Sonu Nigam and Subhash Ghai, and they called it Asman Se Aaya Farishta. So I was doing something else. I was talking about Tapun Sinha and all of them. So then I said, if you call it Asman Se Aaya Farishta, how come I'm not there? So I kind of gate crashed their mehfil, and it was so enjoyable because the moderator was so good. I mean, he knew each and every song, each and every word. So it was like interacting. Rafi Saab's son was there. So it was interacting with people who knew Rafi Saab and who respected Rafi Saab. So it was a delightful evening because songs are so popular and it really brings everyone together. So yeah, Rafi Saab lives on. He passed away too early. It can't be a favorite song. There is so many songs. What is that Dev Saab song? Zindagi Ka? Zindagi Ka Saath Nibhata Chala Gaya. It is so wonderful. It's so well written. And Ishaaron Mein, of course, that's a duet. Every film, Asman Se Aaya Farishta, like when he sang for Shammi Kapoor, he sang like Shammi Kapoor. When he sang for other people, and then Madhu, that all the classical songs that he sang. So he had a wonderful range. It was truly a great artist.
I remember when I was in school, I used to perform to one of his songs, Madhuban Mein Radhika Nache. I used to do a Kathak style on that song, and that's why I remember his voice so beautifully and so well, because I was just 6 years old, or maybe 5, when I had danced to that song.
Rafi Saab, I mean, that voice, I don't think anything replaces that voice even today. I tell Sonu all the time when I meet him, Sonu, you've got such an incredible voice. Maybe because he's a contemporary, maybe he'll become a legend like Rafi Saab with time. But I think no one else comes close in that space. Arijit, of course, is amazing in his own soulful way. But Rafi Saab, what a legend. Even decades after he's gone, you feel his absence.
Rafi Saab, I don't know, but I remember my cousin had gone for his morbid memories, but he had gone for his funeral last.
जैसा लगता है कि हमारे लाइफ में ना होके भी उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन
गाने तो immense है ना.
You can't deny it. You can't ignore it.
even Rafi Saab, I mean, classic. Yeah. I think one of the best singers we've had.
I've seen a lot of AI videos. You see, na AI voices. So they recreate the old voices. So I've seen a lot of new songs in Mohammed Rafi's voice, and they sound so good.
Amazing.
Old song
just
in his
the-
voice were better.
I mean,
I mean, just the sheer fact that Mohammad Rafi साहब used to sing in a character.
Yeah.
कि जब वो शम्मी कपूर के लिए गा रहे हैं,
Correct.
तो वो मस्ती लेके गा रहे हैं. And now the masti is in a studio behind a mic.
Yeah.
There is nothing for you. So what a performer these guys were.
So हर एक word punch in करते हैं.
पंच इन करना है, एक बारी में पूरा गाना गाना है. There is no auto tune there.
Yeah.
You know, like really legends of Indian cinema.